Hey guys, what's up? Just about to leave until I spotted. Hold on, get this camera focused. Like a big ass bird eating. What is that? A snake? A worm? It's crazy. Lately, I've been capturing a lot of wildlife, but don't worry. Tomorrow, I'm gonna take the go-kart out. Yeah, maybe catch some wildlife at the sand dunes. Damn, he is tearing that bird or that snake up. What the hell? Like he's trying to get away. Oh snap! Yeah, like a big vulture eating a snake. This is definitely wildlife for you. Look at that thing. Oh man, that's crazy. I definitely like to see who's gonna win. I think the bird, but I gotta definitely go. Alrighty guys, stay tuned for other videos.